Come on, stupid fish. It's still 10:05. Chad's caught that carp. And my rod's gone. And finally, I've got a carp. Ooh. Start again. I'm Brian College, and in my spare time I fish northwest UK waters in search of a double-figure carp. Spending hours on the bankside striving to get you the best fishing content. I'll bring you fishing with my family and with my friends and also with the mighty Chad. Yeah, welcome to Aquatic College. Well, good morning. Welcome to Aquatic College. My name is Bri and it is Sunday the 26th of July 2020, which can only mean one thing. It's the fishing competition with the mighty Chad. Morning, Chad.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Do you want to have a chat with the viewers?
When I woke up.
When you've woke up?
Yeah.
Too early yet?
Yeah.
You too?
Well, I'll get back to you in a minute.
Right, okay.
Okay.
Ooh. Well, so yeah, fishing today. We're on the Heron Pool, Moathouse Fisheries. It's the final day of the competition. I am 20 fish to 13 down, so I've only got 7 fish to make up with, and hopefully I'll do that. Otherwise, I've got to dance, which is not good for me, and it's not good for you watching. So if you bear with me, once Chad's woke up and we've caught a fish, you'll see us in a bit. And here on Moathouse Heron Pool, we have ducks, 3 of them, swimming from right to left. And in the background, coming forward, we have 3 geese swimming left to right. Why are the birds swimming in 3s? Is that a thing? Huh. Everyone's on the bank this weekend. Just have a look and see if birds swim in 3s when it's cloudy. So it's now 7:35. There's no bite, but Chad has woke up. Good morning, Chad.
Good morning.
You ready now?
Yes. Now, what I'm going to do today, so, to give him a bit of a chance, I have accidentally pinched little Chad, mini Chad.
All right.
So I'm going to have mini Chad on
the-
my rod today,
Right.
and he's going to have baby Brian today.
Right.
Right, so I'm putting baby Brian on there, and I'm going to have mini Chad on
Right.
mine. Now, he says that he's a better fisherman than me,
Who does?
Brian.
Me?
Yes.
I think if people watch my videos, they know that that's not right. But go on.
When the video is off, he says to me, I'm useless.
Right.
Fishing. So I'm just going to prove that it's not the case.
Right. Okay.
There, I'm in it, Brian. You can go on there.
Right.
For today.
So I've got that weird camp-looking toy. What's he doing?
Oh, he's gone to sleep, mate.
Right.
He's gone to sleep. So
Why has he got ribbon round his neck?
because he's a boy.
Right. And you've got mini
It
chad.
used to be a girl, but it's had a sex change.
Right, this is getting too confusing. It's a
Right.
toy. Okay.
So I'm taking mini chad today,
Right.
just for half a day.
Kidnapping, you mean?
Kidnapping.
Okay.
All right. Bye,
All
everybody.
day. Does that mean your fish count is mine then?
No. We'll see anyway.
Right. Okay. See, 1 minute he makes up rules 3 weeks in that people have got to dance, and now he's kidnapping my mascot. Birds are still swimming around in threes. Must be a thing. Well, a quick update. It's 9:15. None of us have had bites yet. Chad's still tired and grumpy, and he's brought mini Chad back. So hopefully my luck will change. You okay, Chad?
Yes, thank you. Are you?
You alright?
Yes.
Warm enough?
Oh yes.
What does a fish look like?
I don't know. I haven't got a clue. But it's only early yet. It's only nearly 10 to 9. Been here 3 hours. Not had a bite yet. But there's plenty of time.
There is. I don't want to dance.
Think positive.
So over to Chad Cam, and he's caught.
Just a little bream this time.
Just a little bream. Slightly bigger than his method feeder.
Well, at least it's not what we thought it was going to be.
No, it's not a carp,
No,
but
blank.
it's a fish.
A blank.
Oh, blank. No. I'd never want you to blank, Chad.
Oh, no, that. You know, I've been good mates.
Have you foul hooked it?
No. No, it's in its, it was in its, the dinghy was in its gills.
Right. Probably inhaled it in its gill.
Oh, nice little bream.
Okay, so that makes that 21,
21,
13.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well done, Chad.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed.
You're going to call me love then?
I wouldn't.
Oh well.
Just wiped my hands because I had a war wound yesterday.
What, by the pike?
By the pike.
Yeah.
What I didn't get. Trapped my hand in a gate.
Right. Well done, Chad.
Thank you very much.
Well, Chad Cam again. And he's caught a carp. The start of the day I thought I had a chance.
Oh,
Now I don't.
just him to get in the way. That's on pop-ups, that.
Is it?
Yeah. Well, probably wasn't doing much, cop.
Yeah, I think I've got some pop-ups in my bag. I might give it a go.
It's only a small one. Oh, she's a carp.
It's a carp though, isn't it?
Yeah. A little carp, yeah.
Very nice. So what's that now, Chad?
That's 22, 13.
Right. Well done.
Thank you very much. Oh, go on, lad. Yo, it's good when I get one.
Like a ghost carp.
Well, we can't see.
Yeah.
What?
It's a ghost carp.
Well done,
Carol
Brian.
said one you can't see.
I've got 15 of them today.
Well, it's 10:05. Come on, stupid fish. It's still 10:05. Chad's caught that carp. And my rod's gone. And finally, I've got a carp. Ooh. Start again. 10:05. Chad's just caught the carp. And now I've just caught a carp. So that makes that 22:14. 22:14?
Yeah, that's right.
22:14 to Chad. But I've not blanked. So hopefully, I'm not going to say that. Hopefully I catch more than what Chad does for the rest of the day.
Hey, hang on, that's not. Hey, you shouldn't say things like that.
I didn't say you were going to blank.
Eh? You meant it though.
Thank God I've caught.
Well, in round you there.
I know they are. Oh. Well, it's 10:34 and my rod's ripped off again, and I've got another small carp with a strange mouth. Poor thing. So that makes that now 22:15. So I'm level for the day with Chad at 2 each. So hopefully, whoa, don't want to smash its face even more. Hopefully I'll get a couple of more.
Well, the fishing now has been quiet for quite a few weeks. I've spoken to a lot of people on social media and they're all saying the same thing. I think with the variable weather, the fish are just not biting what they normally do. So I'm not surprised it's been quiet today. It was quiet yesterday in Holbar and it looks like it's going to be the same today. But I'm just glad that none of us have blanked.
Well, Chad's in again,
It's a decent one.
and it's a decent bream,
No, it's a carp, that.
is it?
Yeah.
Like a bream to
We
me.
won't fight like this.
Oh, here's a carp. Forgot what they look like. Nice fish.
Not bad.
That makes that 23:15.
23:15, yeah.
Yeah, to the mighty Chad.
Yes.
Well done.
Thank you.
So lately when I've been fishing, I've been bringing my camera along with me so I can check out the bird life. So I'm going to try and take a couple of pictures now and see if I can get any decent ones.
So that's it. End of session 4. Scores were 3-2 today to Chad, which makes that 23:15
Yeah.
to the mighty Chad. So
That's me.
that's you.
That's
So
me.
this is the trophy. So congratulations, Chad.
Thanks very much, Lee.
Well done on winning the
Thank
comp
you.
this month.
Right.
And that's
Bigger
it.
trophy next year.
That's it. So I'll see you all later.
But hang on, no. We forgot to say you
Right.
have to do a little dance because they lost the monthly session. So I'm going to hand you over to the man who's played in all sorts of venues and he's He's also been in Hollywood. Yes, he's danced in Hollywood. He's danced in Holloway. And next week he's at the Old Bailey.
Right.
So over to you.
Shall I sing my criminal record?
Do your criminal record.
So, brought it back again. So it's baby crab do 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 do, baby crab do 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 do, baby crab do 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 do, baby crab. Big fish, small fish, cardboard box. Big fish, small fish, cardboard box. That's it.
That was well worth looking for. That was well worth the month.
Everyone's looking
and
at
everybody's looking at him.
Finish it,
and
Chad.
thinking, what a man for.
Everyone's yeah.
Go
Yes.
putting thumbs up to him. Right? See you next month.
So that's the end of Aquatic College. I'm now going to take up golf on YouTube. So thank you very much. Next week we're going to be back with a new competition for 4 sessions. And yeah, just need to try and
We'll try what they call it next week.
res.
The Vulcan.
Vulcan res.
Vulcan Res, yeah.
So the Vulcan res, change of venue. Hopefully a change of look for me, because I don't like dancing. So thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments. No bad ones.
Some comments.
And I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching.